Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today we want to show you guys a brand new boat that just arrived. This is a 2022 Scout 195 Sportfish. This is a very unique boat on account of it is actually an inventory piece that is available for immediate delivery. So if you guys are interested in it, don't hesitate to call 843-747-1889. So this particular boat we did in the Scout White standard hull color. We also equipped it with the T-top and we upgraded to the powder coat, so it matches that white nicely. We did opt for the Mercury 150 upgrade on this one. And with that upgrade, we've got the upgraded power steering from Baystar and as well as trim tabs on the back of this boat. We have the two standard jump seats in the back cockpit here. I'm 6 foot for reference as we move through this boat. Huge cockpit, tons of room. Again, 8.6 beam. Underneath both of these storages is storage under both these seats, excuse me. Nice backrest, systems access to your pumps and filters down below. Your standard leaning post live well with adjustable step there for the shorter legs. We do have the standard live well and release well. Standard tilt helm here. Lin code trim tabs with the indicator switches that we've upgraded. Digital tacks from Mercury Marine, as well as our lights, pumps, and switches there. Binnacle, we did upgrade to this stereo. So this boat has the Fusion stereo with the 4 Bluetooth, with 4 speakers and Bluetooth capability. Glove box with USB charging ports and 12-volt charging, as well as our standard battery switch that comes with 2 batteries standard, your house and as well as your cranking battery. We do have a console. Sorry, the storage cover is down below, but you can opt for the head in this particular boat. Moving forward, we have a standard igloo cooler, comfortable seating for 2. Underneath this is actually easy access to the batteries. Moving forward, here's those forward backrests we mentioned earlier. This is a newer option for this boat. Not a lot of people have done a lot of videos on it. So I just wanted to show you guys for a second. I am 6 foot, fully stretched. You can sit obviously very comfortably, depending on how you guys like to relax and cruise. Nice convenient grab handle there. Also, if you want to pull those out and store them, you have the reverse lounge as well. We have cup holders in the bow, as well as a huge dry storage underneath this lounge. We've got our prop down there. We have a dedicated anchor locker in the bow. And one of my favorite parts about the 195 series is the huge freeboard. So walking around this wide deck, great for fishing, great for casting, getting on and off the beach, and that goes all the way around as we move to the back of the boat. Guys, I hope that was an in-depth look at the 195 Sportfish here. Again, my name is Dotson Guys with MarineMax here in Charleston. If you guys have any questions, feel free to say 843-747-1889. Have a great day.